Velly. I ain't never disrespect Larry Hoover, so I don't know where you going with
Wack,
that.
Wack, you running around here, bro. You throwing smut on all these powerful black men named Hoover, one of them, bro. But you
Wait,
ran
wait,
with a
slow
rat
down.
for
What
you.
I throw
Hold
smut
on,
on
let me
Larry Hoover
talk,
now?
bro. Man,
Yeah,
see, now
but
I
you
know you
told a
listen. Now I
lie.
know you got a problem. You slight retarded,
You
bro.
just
You don't
told
know
a
how to pay
lie,
attention to
bro.
detail, bro.
I've never disrespected Larry Hoover name, bro, ever.
Oh my God, bro, Jesus Christ, you lying, home?
I've never, man, King.
Everything down south ready to get at you, bro.
Hey, bro, that's
That's
cool.
cap.
Bro,
That's
stop
cool.
talking
That
for
ain't
him,
But
no
bro.
I ain't
Y'all
never
niggas
motherfucking
let the
cap,
man
man.
talk.
disrespected.
Big
I ain't
cap.
never disrespected Larry Hoover, my
Then,
nigga.
man, bro,
What?
you threw
Okay,
smut on
tell me
Hoover
what I
name. Listen,
said.
bro, you
Tell
must
me
got a
what I
clone.
said
You must
disrespectful.
got a clone.
No, tell me what I said disrespectful about Larry. You
Man,
lying, bro.
listen, man, that's another episode. We ain't got to, man, you know exactly what you
No, you
said.
said it.
But listen, home, you throwing smut on these folks named Hoover
Tell
one of
me
them,
what I said
but
disrespectful
you ran
about
around
Larry
with a
Hoover,
rat. You
bro.
ran around with Takashi for a year straight, bro.
What you mean? I ran around. You ain't never seen me running around, which I do business with him. So what?
Man, you a cap ass nigga, bro.
But bro, you jumping. Tell me what I said disrespectful about Larry Hoover.
You know exactly what you said. What I need to
No,
play
I've
it for
never.
you?
I'm telling you out my mouth. I've never disrespected Larry Hoover,
So
Oh my
you
God.
spoke on Hoover
Never.
fam?
Yeah,
bro. He
play it,
telling me. I'm
nigga.
trying to ask the
I'm
nigga
trying to
what I
play
say.
it.
You lying, my nigga. You worse than the
Play it.
Man, I
KKK,
was in
nigga.
the party
So you
with you
spoke
when
on
you
Hoover fam?
it 3-4
What
niggas
did
was
I
in the
say
party with
then?
you, bro. I was in the clubhouse with you when you were dogging the man, bro.
You have never. You a motherfucking
Play
lie.
it.
You ain't never heard me disrespect Larry Hoover.
Wax, so
Nigga,
you
you
gonna
a
sit up
big
here and
lie,
lie,
nigga.
Wax?
He
You
got
heard me
gangsters on the
disrespect Jay
stage.
Prince, but you ain't heard me disrespect Larry Hoover.
And who you listen, you disrespect the movement.
Jay
Hoover
Prince
got
is not
to that
Larry
Prince got
Hoover.
towards Hoover.
Jay Prince is not Larry Hoover, bro. Like, don't lie. If you gonna tell the
Bro,
truth, tell the truth.
you disrespect the movement Jay Prince got for Hoover, home.
Wait, how what you mean? How I'm disrespecting the movement Jay Prince got for Hoover? Jay Prince movement is his movement. Kanye movement is his movement. It's
Man,
three, four
I swear
people
to
got
God,
movements for him.
I thought you was a straight up and down
But
that
let me
nigga. You
ask
a
you
bitch
something,
ass
Belly.
nigga, bro. And
Wait,
I
but you
square with your
still
whole
won't
ass.
answer the question. What did I say disrespecting Larry? I've never disrespected Larry Hoover.
Did you
You
bring your
lying.
Larry name? You brought a
You
Larry
what?
name, Wacko?
What'd you say?
You brought his name up?
And that's a
Well,
big gangster, mob ties.
hold up, man. Listen, hey, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. And I'm gonna say it again. Everybody from a clique or a set, nigga. So you hollering mob ties don't move me, my nigga. That shit's
I'm
supposed to
saying, what you
move me.
speaking
That
on?
don't move
What
me,
was
bro. So stop hollering that shit at me, nigga. Like I'm dependent of that and that move me, bro.
Nah, you ain't gotta move. You gonna be a point of time
Okay,
where you
then it
can't
is what
move,
the.
nigga.
But are you mob ties though?
Man,
Because
bitch, what you
if you
think?
not, you shouldn't be even mentioning it to get me going. To
What
diss
you
me,
think,
a
nigga? What
real
you think,
mob
nigga?
ties nigga should get at you. Because it's like, my nigga, what you doing? Because why you
What
bringing
you
it up?
think? What you think, nigga?
I don't know nothing about you, nigga. Don't care to know nothing about
Listen.
you.
I bet you want to fly to Memphis and go live, getting off the plane at the airport.
Hey,
Ain't
bro, I'm
nobody
gonna
And
go
doing all
now. I'm
that.
going to
listen,
The
go. Let me
fuck
listen,
is
tell
you
you
listen,
something. Let
talking
me
about?
say.
This nigga
Let me
looking
listen,
tell
for
you
the
Wack.
about
And I
police to
every state.
pop out.
And let me
And
tell
I
you
pull
about
over
every
no gun.
state, bro.
Wack. I stamp this.
Every
I swear to
state,
God,
hey, bro.
I pull over no guns, bro. We can meet up at Passion Spot and box 1-on-1 in the yard.
What? You not
Man,
coming
cut
However
out
out.
you
here,
want to
bro.
do, I will fight,
You
bro.
not coming out here,
Not
bro.
passion spot.
You not
What I'm
coming
saying,
out
what I'm
here,
not
bro.
coming out there. Why would I not come out there?
You think
That
it's
nigga
sweet?
said
Come on
passion
out here.
shit. See, it ain't about it being
No,
sweet,
if
bro.
you
Just
think
like
it's
you say
sweet,
you'll
come
come
on
to
out
Memphis,
here, my
bro.
nigga.
We be in Cali all the time.
Hey man,
I
we
don't hate you. Listen,
Hey,
listen.
look,
I don't want to keep.
California is
Listen,
800
listen. Hold
miles
on,
north, south,
wait.
400 miles east, west. All kind of niggas to be out here. Ain't no nigga looking for this nigga. I don't even know this nigga. This nigga infatuated
Wait,
with me.
No nigga
wait.
said that.
I
He
don't
never
want to.
said
Wait.
he was
I don't
looking for
listen.
you
Let's get
though.
this
You in
clear.
here
Let's get this
lying.
clear. Wait. Let's get
Hey,
this clear. I
Velly,
don't want
I
to kill you
promise
because of
you,
your skin
you
color,
will
bro.
Hey,
not
hey,
see
I don't
me
want
in
to
Velly.
kill you because on the
California.
He
skin.
ain't never
Yeah, I
You
said
told
will
nothing
him to
not
bad
see
stay
me
about
in
the
low.
old man.
California and
Don't
approach
lie
me with
on dude
no
like that.
disrespect. I guarantee you that.
Who?
Not you.
Man, I would bust you up in anywhere in
Okay,
California,
all
bro.
right,
Pause,
all right,
pause,
all
pause,
right,
pause, pause.
all right.
Pause.
Hey, bro, listen,
You
bro.
say
Don't
so,
come in
bro.
here with no homosexual ass into my pause. He ain't said nothing gay.
Pause.
Bring your
Weak
weird
ass
ass
nigga to my
out here,
pause. Don't
bro.
Hey,
start that
hey,
gay
hey,
ass
but
shit.
Velly,
Nah, that
Velly,
was a little
you
kinky,
accused the
nigga.
man of
Lame
saying
ass
something
All
nigga.
that
bad
Better
bunch
about
of
the
about your
old
people.
pause.
Yeah,
man.
We ain't
nigga,
about
He
to
y'all
hear
don't
ain't
no
know
never
gay
what I
shit,
say
you weak
nothing.
said.
ass
He
nigga.
ain't no, I'm from Chicago.
I
I
ain't
ain't
never
on no
said
dick
nothing
riding shit.
disrespectful about
He ain't
Hoover, my
never
nigga.
said nothing disrespectful about the old man.
Man, y'all act
Don't
like
put that
dude
Bruh,
charge
is
he
on him.
Jesus
said,
or some shit, fool.
listen, y'all,
Y'all act like Wack
he
don't
said
I
know
ain't
Wack
Jesus.
never
was
disrespected
disrespecting the
Never.
Larry Hoover.
movement
I ain't
that
never
Jay
heard him
Prince Jr.
say.
got for Larry Hoover.
Oh man, what the fuck are you talking
Matter of
about?
fact, I'm gonna keep it real. What
What the
I
fuck you
said
mean when I'm talking
was,
about niggas? You listen to detail,
Hold
you
on,
just listen to what you want
let
to
Wack
hear.
get it
hey,
off.
what I said was, if you really want to know what I said about Larry Hoover, King John was in the room. I said after watching this footage, this 5 hour footage, and watching this man in 1998 predict what was gonna happen 20, 22 years ahead of time, I really placed him up there with Malcolm and motherfucking Martin, is what I said.
That's a fact.
Now,
That's
you
a
call
fact.
that disrespect?
You said more than
Yeah, if
No,
you
that's
This
a
call
nigga,
that
fact right there.
disrespect, bro, then something wrong with niggas like you try to
this nigga
create
don't care
false
about
narratives,
Larry
bro.
Hoover.
For what reason? I don't know. But you lying. I've never disrespected Larry Hoover. You're a fucking lie.
You cap. You
No, don't
disrespect
lie,
Hoover
man. No, you
and
lying,
Jay Prince,
dude.
bruh.
Hey, Velly,
You
you
trying to
lying,
bring shit
dog.
up to
y'all mad
Larry
Hey,
about
Hoover.
hey,
Jay
hey, hey,
Prince.
Velly,
Memphis
say
look
what he
bad.
said though,
But
bro.
fuck Jay Prince.
They
Hey,
mad
bro,
about
stop
Jay
riding
Prince.
Wack
They
See that?
100
mad
dick,
about Jay
I'm
Prince.
saying,
No, it ain't about
hey,
dick
bro.
riding. It's
I'm
about the
saying,
truth, man.
What you got with
Don't
Jay
lie
Prince,
on
bro?
a
What you
man
got with
like
Prince,
that.
home?
So we agree that I never disrespected Larry Hoover,
Nah,
right?
we ain't agreed on pun shit. What
Well,
you
you
got with
gotta tell me
Prince?
what I said then, bro, because that's a false narrative, bro.
Man, you cap, bruh.
You keep
Hey,
saying
bro,
You
that,
you
but what did
cap,
I
can't.
bruh.
say?
Hold up. You
You
Say
can't.
what
cap
the
It
like, hold
looking
on,
nigga
like
watch
said
you
this.
though,
Hold on,
capping.
bro.
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
You trying to
You
talk
looking
all
like
this
you
gang
cap, my
shit,
nigga.
nigga? Why don't you be a man and have a problem with that man face to face, nigga? You
Y'all
try to
don't
keep
follow
bringing
me on the
people
ops.
name
Y'all
and this
going to the
shit.
goo
Fuck the other people.
anyway. I'm finna
Who
get
What
have a
ready.
problem you
problem? I
got?
swear to God, I just told
Bro,
Wack,
stop
this on,
riding Wack
listen,
100 dick, bro. That
I
man a
just told
grown
Wack,
man.
this
Let
on
that
my
man talk
kids,
on
bro.
his own.
I meet
Hey,
Wack
bro,
anywhere in
the man
America,
is
bro,
sitting
and
here
fight Wack,
lying.
bro.
These is niggas from
Don't
Chicago who done
don't
been
you
in
gotta
room
be a
after
man
room.
Let that
first?
man
He
talk
has never
about
heard me
Dog,
disrespect
ain't
Larry
about no
Hoover.
dick riding. It's about the truth.
Nah, it's
Dude
let
ain't
that
never
man
said,
talk for himself, bro.
homie ain't never
That man
said
a
nothing
grown
I ain't
bad
ass
never
about
man,
Hoover,
bro.
disrespected
man.
Larry
Y'all
Hoover,
hold that
bro.
man
Homie ain't never said nothing bad about
Hey
Larry
man,
and
hey
Hoover.
don't
look, you
let him
over there
speak his
talking, nigga.
own
This
Y'all
piece,
nigga,
gonna
bro.
bear
Man,
false
why, I'm saying,
witness.
why y'all speaking for Wack? You must
That's
be
what
paying
I'm
these
I
saying,
ain't
niggas,
man.
Wack.
Y'all
speaking
niggas
for
talk
him.
for
I'm talking
These
about
himself.
the
folks
Fuck you
truth,
guys
definitely
nigga.
talking
You
speaking
to?
for Wack
lying.
and them motherfucker, man.
hey
Y'all
bro, tell
always
Man,
me
y'all
acting
what
nigga,
like
I
that
Wack
nigga
said
must be
lying,
paying you
bro.
niggas
disrespectful
with
about
these
Larry
100
Hoover.
symbols for the
No, nigga,
talking,
he
bro.
ain't paid me shit. We talking about the truth. You
Tell
Well,
me
lying,
what
bitch,
nigga.
I
let me
Bro,
fuck
said
that
let
cat
that
while you
man
hold the
speak for
tail then,
himself,
nigga.
nigga.
Hey, yo.
The
You
What did
can't
fuck?
I
stand
say
on your own
disrespectful
two
about
though,
Larry
Velly.
Hoover? I'm waiting.
You can't stand on your own two though, Velly.
Nah, he
I'm
can't
waiting,
Don't you
my
stand on
gotta
nigga.
be a
I
himself. He
man
swear to
talking about
God,
first?
somebody else
I just
business.
told Wack clear as day I meet Wack anywhere in America and box him down, bro.
You ain't
So
finna do
keep
none of that,
everybody
bro. You
else
That
say you
man
What
gonna
got
was
come
some
out
that
there to
business,
mean?
Passion
fool.
spot. Passion right
What?
around the corner from me, bro. Literally.
Man, I meet you anywhere in America and box you down, Wack.
Okay, well, when you get here, let me know.
What's him?
Bro, when you get here, let me know. You feel you that good? Pull on up.
Scary ass nigga. No, you ain't that good.
Okay, well, pull up. You
He
say you
got
spot. I'll be
Scary ass nigga.
waiting.
You must be paying
Okay.
these dick sucking ass niggas down here
Nah,
instead of
stop
vouching for you,
running.
bro.
You won't answer
Hey,
no
on
question. Let's
God,
start with
Velly.
what I said. So listen, is it true that you just told a lie that I disrespected Larry Hoover? Cause you can't say what I said, bro.
Yo ass disrespect Chicago, period.
Yeah. That's all I want to know. That nigga disrespect the
Bullshit.
Alpha, man.
Yeah, man,
Bullshit.
man, you
How'd he
niggas
Man,
disrespect
Bullshit.
that nigga threw Hoover, that
y'all
nigga threw
saying
Hoover in.
anything,
Listen,
man.
that nigga threw Hoover and
Y'all
Jay
say
Prince under the
y'all
bus,
say
bro.
anything,
For,
Nah,
boy.
for
no,
Clubhouse.
no, no, no,
Y'all
no,
niggas
no.
will
You're
say
lying.
anything, boy.
You're lying.
And
he
that
don't
pussy ass can't come.
comprehend well. That's
He
what
can't
it
come
is.
nowhere down
He
south,
don't
bro.
comprehend well.
You're lying.
Hey, Wack
That
can come
That
get
that's
you.
nigga
just
can't
that's
come
saying
nowhere
the shit
down
out his
south no
I'm gonna
more,
mouth.
go
home.
wherever I
Velly, you
want to
bring
go,
your
bro.
ass to Chicago, nigga, with that
Nigga,
mouth.
I'm like you saying everywhere down
The
south.
fuck?
This nigga crazy, my
Who you
nigga.
Hey,
talking about
bro,
come to
y'all start
Chicago with that
talking for
mouth?
that Wack
You,
nigga, bro.
Velly?
Y'all dick riders, bro.
Nigga, you
That man a
keep
grown
No,
ass
bringing
is
man.
Larry
y'all
Hoover
dick
name
riders
keep
for
coming out your
Velly?
mouth, nigga.
Nah,
That
nigga,
Y'all
I
dick
fuck
riders
Velly
for
my
And
him, then,
motherfucking
right?
you
nigga,
niggas
but
is
what
dick
I'm
riding
saying
for
is, bro, I'm letting
Stan
them
G.
speak on
Nigga,
So
what
what
fuck
you
I'm
talking
saying,
Chicago,
about?
bro. Fuck
nigga.
what he talking
You
about.
niggas is
What you
dick
mean,
riding
fuck
Stan G,
Chicago? Wait,
nigga.
hold on. Wait, Betty, how you say fuck Chicago and you just sitting there telling me I'm disrespecting Larry Hoover and everything
Man,
he stand for in Chicago? You a
nigga,
fake
Larry
ass
Hoover ain't
nigga,
from
bro.
Chicago, nigga.
So you
Man,
so you
this
just
nigga dumb as
disrespect
hell.
Chicago,
Hey,
but you
Man,
just
on
listen.
my
say I
kid, Larry
disrespect
Hoover ain't from
Larry?
Chicago, bro.
This nigga
Hey,
Larry
retarded.
Hoover ain't from
Larry,
Velly, use
Chicago.
a Google.
Larry
Man,
Hoover
Larry
from
Hoover from
Hey,
Chicago?
Jackson,
listen here,
Mississippi,
man.
bro.
Larry
Okay,
You
from
but
missed
what?
that
Kansas
short
Man,
City.
he
bus,
left
didn't
Jackson,
you?
Mississippi.
Man,
Get
get
out
the
of here.
fuck out of here.
Larry Hoover from Kansas
What's wrong
City.
with you?
So we
Man,
go.
what the
So
fuck?
let's
These
talk
niggas
about
is
the
crazy, bro.
disrespect now.
These niggas is crazy. You
These
come
niggas
in
are
here
nuts.
talking, yeah, and then you turn about a disrespected man. That's crazy.
Larry
Look,
from
Man,
look,
I
I
didn't
ain't, I
Mississippi.
ain't,
see
I
see
ain't, I
Wack,
ain't,
see
I ain't with
Wack,
the for
Wack,
Chicago
Wack.
shit, but
One thing
Larry from
about
I'm
you,
just
Wack,
Jackson.
saying, bro. He
You
represents
quick to
Hey,
flip
look,
the
Chicago,
Larry
narrative,
bro.
Hoover
Wack.
from Jackson, Mississippi. If you really want to be
Larry Hoover
technical,
represents
he from,
Chicago.
but that nigga from Jackson,
My
Mississippi.
people
Okay,
from
dog.
Meridian,
He can't.
Mississippi, nigga. I
Yeah.
don't claim
Fuck is he
Meridian,
talking
Mississippi,
about?
nigga.
Nigga, you ain't got no motherfucking peep in Meridian, nigga.
Nigga, what on? We
Mississippi,
on 500 acres of land, nigga, right off Russell Road, I-20, nigga, that been there for 100 years, nigga. Built houses, man-made lakes that we own today still, nigga.
Man,
Fuck
it's,
you
Cap
mean?
ass nigga.
man,
Mississippi
man, man.
land
Like we
and
Hey,
ain't
niggas
all
don't
Jackson.
know
from the
that,
South.
man. Look, they don't
Stupid
need Hey, to
ass
Velly,
nigga.
you
Shut
ain't
your
gonna
I
hey
got
ass
a,
Wack,
up,
hey,
you
I
nigga.
ain't
got a
Come
fucking
on,
with
question.
man.
I got a
Hollywood,
question. Hey,
bro. These
Velly,
niggas is
Velly,
niggas, bro.
Velly, is you a
Hey, these
gangster?
niggas do
YouTube
whatever for
channel,
him. Look,
man.
these
Is you
niggas
a
will do
gangster,
whatever
Velly?
for that nigga, fool.
Can't win in here, bro. You can't
Can't
win with these
win,
That
niggas
nigga.
in
nigga's a
here,
He'll do
bro.
Is you a
trash
whatever for
man.
gangster,
that nigga.
Velly?
Let that
Is
nigga
you a
talk
Nah,
his
gangster,
He's a
Velly?
long
trash
ass.
man, bro.
hell nah.
I'm
You shouldn't
conservative
even be up here
Lord.
questioning that nigga about our chief
Nigga, if
anyway,
you
cause
Stand
what
nigga,
the
you
by,
ain't no
bro.
fuck is
gangster,
you
nigga.
talking about Hoover for if you a
Square
lord,
ass
nigga?
nigga.
Slow ass
That
nigga.
ain't none of your business.
Man, y'all so motherfucking green and dumb,
Oh,
bro.
nigga,
Listen,
come
listen,
on,
You
you
are
man.
niggas so dumb.
stupid, bro.
Nigga Hoover used to be
Mute
an
up,
ambassador
man.
with
Mute
Jeff Fort,
up.
nigga.
Mute up,
Yeah, let that
please.
man
Mute
talk.
See,
That
that
up.
what
man know
nigga
what he
don't know.
talking He about. know
That
exactly
No,
nigga
he
ain't
don't
got
what
know
he
it.
what
talking
the
about,
fuck
boy.
he talking
Hey man,
about.
hey
That nigga
man.
don't know
One
He
mic.
don't
shit.
Let
know
that
what he
man
talking
talk, man. Have
about.
some
Man, how the
respect, nigga.
fuck
Stop
I don't
saying
know what
all
I'm
that
talking
goofy
about,
ass
nigga?
shit.
Nigga,
And
I'm
nigga,
from the
hey,
east side of
Before
Chicago,
Hoover
nigga.
was gangster disciple, he used to
Oh,
be an
hell
ambassador
Come
with
no.
on,
Jeff
One mic.
man.
Fort.
One
Don't
mic.
play
Let
with
Oh,
that
me,
man
wait,
man.
wait,
talk,
That
wait.
nigga
man.
Slow
Don't
swallowing
play
down.
with
both
me.
fingers. He
Yeah.
don't know what he
Hey
talking
man,
about.
hey man,
Don't play
hey
with
man,
me,
say
man.
man.
One mic.
Hey, mute these niggas up,
Passion.
passion. All you niggas doing all that group ass shit, just talking. Let a
Oh,
man
Nah,
talk,
no,
nah,
nigga,
bro.
ain't no
Passion. Hold
groupie
on.
You
shit. You
a
ain't
That's
gonna
what it
bitch,
tell
is.
me
my
no
Y'all
nigga.
niggas
history
not getting
that
no
I know
motherfucking
like the
understanding because
back of my
everybody trying to
hand,
talk,
Hey,
man.
man.
You
Passion.
you
Get the
a
fuck out of
pansies
here.
dick rider, nigga.
Hey,
Use the
One
word
Passion.
mic,
Hold
right.
hoe
on.
ass
Man, you
nigga. You
No,
niggas
we
is
gon'
wet
hey, hey,
pussy
we
dick
gonna
crying,
rider,
kill
nigga.
nigga.
this.
Nigga,
Pussy ass
you ain't
nigga.
Wait, one
verified,
mic,
nigga. So
one
it's like,
mic,
nigga, that
bro.
nigga's
Real shit. No more
Pangea ain't
hollering.
verified.
Y'all
We
niggas
gonna
need
let
to learn how
Passion
to
kill
respect
this.
each
Little
other,
Passion,
man.
cornball ass nigga.
Hey,
Passion.
wait. Check it, bro.
Wait, hold
Let's
on. We
get
gonna
these
wait.
niggas in
Everybody,
check
one
who
mic.
just hollering out,
Passion.
who ain't saying nothing, though.
Hold on, bro. Hey,
Bro, we
bro.
can make some
Whoever you
motion
are,
happen,
promise
little
me.
nigga.
Hey, bro. Look, I promise you, you ain't gonna want to speak for this man. Passion. Check your text message. This nigga's a dick rider. Check your text message. I just sent you a screenshot. This nigga's a fan.
Holy shit, dude.
Hold on, let Passion, because I don't want to read it. Check your motherfucking text message,
Oh, he got
Passion,
him.
and read what this nigga been sending me. And he in here talking this shit.
Hey,
Hey,
Valley,
he
you a
ain't
dick
backing
No,
up.
rider,
hold on.
Valley. Damn.
Hold on.
Oh
Let her read it.
shit.
Passion, keep it gangster. Read this shit. This nigga been, I ain't never responded to this nigga. Read it,
Read
Passion.
that shit, Passion.
Hey, say, cuz, what I
Nah,
told
be
you.
Hey,
quiet.
one mic
No,
on
nigga.
passion. One
Go
mic
ahead,
on
Passion.
passion.
Who was that? Sade? Thank you.
You know it.
My girl. Hey, Velly, I love you, gang, but this is nuts.
Oof.
It's that.
Hey, say.
No,
It's that.
no, let her read it, nigga.
Shut
Nah,
up
that's
and let
Monte. That
her
was Monte.
read the
I was just
fucking text message. Damn.
go ahead, pass.
Velly versus Satan. I'm unsigned. I promise I can make us both millions. Just need the exposure. Velly versus Satan. I'm now on all platforms, YouTube, etc. How much you'll charge me to throw a party in Clubhouse, big
He
bro?
a dick
Come on,
rider.
bro. I'm done
Oh, big
talking to you.
bro.
You's a fan, you bitch ass nigga.
Big
I
And this
seen,
bro.
I
nigga
Dick
in
seen.
here with this
rider.
nigga is another fan. You's a
Say,
bitch, nigga. I ain't talking to you no more.
Hold up,
Nah,
Hey.
hold up,
hold up,
nigga.
hold up, hold up, hold
I
up.
ain't never
Hold up,
responded
now
to you
pass.
no more,
Can I
nigga.
get one mic,
You
pass?
do follow Billy
Hold
out
up,
here, Wack.
hold up, pass. Can I get one
Nah,
mic,
bro.
One
pass?
mic, please.
Nah, bro.
One
Hey,
mic.
hold up. Can I get one mic?
Velly, 1
Ain't no
second.
fucking one, man. You said how much he'll charge you
Say
for
pass.
what?
Can I get
Come
one mic,
on,
pass?
man.
Yeah, go ahead, Velly.
Listen, but what I just said, do I say I thought you was a straight up and down ass nigga, right?
Nah, bro. That's May. That ain't last year. That's just this month,
That
nigga.
kind of sound
Yes, nigga.
gay.
Listen, yes,
Bro, I
man. You
talked
must
about
forget
Jay
what me and you
Prince
would
last
listen.
month.
Hold hold on, Wack. You must forget when me and you were
That
talking to
nigga
Stan G
I
messages
room.
in
talked about
response.
Jay Prince last month. That's May 12th, May 19th.
That's
That ain't,
man.
that's right now, nigga.
That's on my soul. You ain't
Pastor,
talked
get
about no
what your
motherfucking
dates on
J
there,
Prince last
Pastor.
month. This was just 2 weeks
Hey,
ago, bro.
one mic, one
Come
mic.
on,
Hey,
bro.
look, look, let me say something right quick.
Come
Wack.
on,
One thing I'm
bro.
gonna say, me and this nigga Velly, I'm gonna be honest. Me and this nigga Velly that argued down, bro. Like I said, I told that nigga, listen, check it out though, just check it one mic. When I seen your interview with Takashi 69, I told Velly, I'm like, bro, I got a new respect for this Wack 100 nigga, bro. Cause I don't know too much about him. I'm gonna be 100. That's what I told him. Me and this nigga argued for like 2 hours about this shit. So I'm gonna be honest. He was saying a whole lot of different shit because of how because I don't know what he found out prior to that. But man, this nigga to argue down. I was like, bro, this
Nah,
nigga,
bro.
you know what I'm
Bro,
saying?
it's
Like,
May 12th, May 19th, bro. I talked about Jay Prince in April, bro. If he mad about that, he didn't sent that since then, bro. This real shit.
when did y'all talk in Stan G room? He said y'all talked about
I
something else in
don't know,
Stan G
bro. Let me
room.
tell you something. I don't know who I'm talking to when niggas is talking on the floor, bro. I don't be paying that shit no mind. If I don't just know you and know your voice, I don't know you. Anybody that know me will
Period.
tell you that.
Yeah, nigga, we
The
wrote
Jay
we
Prince shit
rotated and
happened
stand.
like
Listen,
3 weeks
listen.
ago, a month ago.
We
Shut
Bro,
your
I
bitch
know
rotated and
Big
ass up. You
Memphis
a
is that
Turn, you
fan.
talking
motherfucker.
all that shit about Wack.
You
Come
call that
on,
nigga
bro.
big bro, nigga.
You
Hello,
a
nigga.
fan, you bitch ass nigga.
You a
Fan ass
fan,
nigga.
nigga.
listen.
That
We
nigga Velly
rotated and
lame.
stand G room, nigga. I told the nigga I thought you was a
Nah,
straight up
nigga.
and down ass nigga. You a bitch.
Okay, all right, all right, all
You
right.
was
You
just mad
mad
because he
because
didn't
I
give
ain't
you
respond to
attention.
you. I
Right.
see why you
Hell,
mad. You ain't mad
You
about
was
last
asking him
year.
for a discount. Now you talking
Yeah,
shit.
you ain't mad
What
oh
about
the?
that.
Deg,
You
oh
mad because I didn't
hold
Man,
up,
respond
don't
to
say
you.
his
Hold
name,
Fan,
up,
nigga. I
nigga.
Deg
got
my
something to say
bitch.
to his ass.
Deg my bitch. You say a pussy hoe.
How much will you charge me to throw a party in my clubhouse, bro?
He a
Bro,
dick
Get the
listen,
fuck
rider.
out of
Period.
here.
listen.
Dick
Wait,
riding ass
that's
nigga.
after me and you
He
had just
said
got through
big
talking.
bro,
Wait,
not the big
No.
bro.
Big ass
Not
nigga.
Nah,
big
wait,
big
Not
bro
the
is
That
big
nuts.
same
bro.
energy, nigga.
this on my
hold
kids,
on,
nigga.
hold
That was
on.
after me and you had got through talking. Wait,
Nah,
Autograph.
You
bro,
want
hold on.
him
Big,
to throw a party for you on
wait,
Clubhouse
big
and
He
not
want
at
a
an
PTO.
actual
bootleg feature.
club.
Hey, yo, PTR, there it go right
Right.
there. That's your man's right there.
hey nigga, that was after me and you got through talking. Wait,
Hey, bro,
then you
hey,
went listening to my
I ain't been
shit.
in that nigga room in 3 weeks, bro. 2, 3 weeks, bro.
Why you
Man,
calling him big bro?
That's on
He
my
don't know
kid, nigga.
you.
Stan G will tell you, man, you was in there talking,
I
bro.
don't know you, nigga. I never responded. Look, I never responded to your back channels. Not
I
one
bet it was like
time.
I bet it was like 2 or 3 in the morning.
You
I
want
don't
him
give a
to.
fuck what
He
time it was.
Actually,
So
Yeah,
basically,
actually,
you
it
nigga.
was
wanted
10
him to be a
o'clock at
special
night.
guest on your show.
Yeah, actually.
Nigga, that shit say 10:58.
one
I mean,
mic
I
on
mean, just be.
passion.
Hey, nah, hey,
You
be
got no
100. That
business,
is
man.
what he do. It ain't like niggas ain't paying him to come in their party and
Don't
show
never
love.
One
back
mic
I
on
don't
channel nigga.
charge
passion.
nobody to go in
One mic
nobody's
on
room,
passion.
bro.
Mute
Hey,
up.
listen, cause
I ain't
get
never
what? Cause get
charged
what?
nobody to go in their room. You're a motherfucking lie.
They ain't
I
the
ain't never,
rundown.
nigga, I
They ain't the
done gave
rundown. I
away
get.
money on this app. I don't charge people to go in their rooms, nigga. I don't do nobody like that,
Hey, I got
nigga.
a question
Nobody.
then, Wack. Can I ask a
Heck, he
question?
wanted you to be a special guest on his show.
Man,
This
you don't
Can I
nigga
ask a question,
nigga,
crazy.
you
Wack?
don't never back channel nigga after 12 o'clock, nigga. Fuck
Hey,
wrong
say
with
so.
you.
Look, check this out then.
One mic on
So
passion.
If I send you down, you cannot come back up. Period. Cause y'all don't shut the fuck up, bro.
Hey, I
Like,
swear to God,
move on to the next person.
passion. Passion, one mic. This nigga Wack, man, me and Wack talk for 15, 20 minutes in Stan G room. The nigga
Man, this
giving me
nigga
spirit.
crazy, bro.
Listen, the nigga was giving me spiritual speeches and everything. So I back channeled the nigga like
I'm not
shit.
spiritual, bro. I
Man,
don't
this
even
on
go to
listen.
church.
Wax, this on my kids on Jesus Christ. You
I
in
am
here
not
capping, bro.
spiritual.
spiritual speeches
You in
is
here capping,
crazy.
Wax.
You don't even got
Bro,
enough
I
money to
don't
afford
even,
his
hey,
walkthrough in the club.
How you a
I don't
vice
believe in
lord?
none of
What's
the
wrong
Wow,
religious
with
Lou,
you,
shit
what
you
is
bro?
Wack
capping,
talking?
Hey,
bro.
hey, this on my soul. Then the nigga so fast and
Until
smooth.
you
He
Listen,
study,
done
shut
walked
up.
through.
He
Get
an
this your little
atheist.
hey,
bitch.
hey, listen. Then the nigga so
Shut up
fast
and
and
go
smooth.
shine my shoes, nigga.
Hey,
Go
then the nigga
clean
so
my
Hey,
fast and
Dior's,
smooth,
nigga.
bro.
Naughty.
This on my
Hey,
kids.
Go
He
clean
Gabby.
my
just hurry up.
Dior's,
Hey,
nigga.
hey, Naughty.
Say
Hey,
passion. The nigga so fast and
passion.
smooth. The nigga just went to
Love
unfollow me, bro.
ya.
So fast, bro. The nigga been following me since that night.
Huh?
You a
I
Yeah,
vice
follow
and
lord.
that's one thing I'm
2,000
gonna
people. Hey,
say.
bro.
I'm not gonna lie. I swear to God, that's the first thing he told me after the day we finished
Hey,
arguing. He
bro,
like, Wack 100, follow me on here and all that
I
shit. Like, we
follow over
talking real
Cause he
time.
was
2,000
so
people. When I
excited.
go to a room
He's a
and
Yeah, I ain't
somebody
fan.
gonna lie, man.
say,
Listen, hey, we
follow the
can't take nothing from the
moderators,
man.
I ain't gonna
Hey,
lie,
man,
anybody that
everybody
tell
ain't
you I will
fanned
go
out, bro.
through
Some
every
niggas just good
moderator
niggas,
and
man.
He a
follow
Everybody
them,
ain't
my
tender
fanned
dick
nigga.
out.
ass nigga.
Man,
Everybody
you
follow
capping. I wouldn't even
Passion.
listen.
Follow Passion.
I wasn't even no moderator in Stan G room, bro. After me and you had a long conversation, you start following me, dog. I'm
We
like,
Conversation,
ain't
not
had no long
conversation.
nothing, you faggot ass, fantasizing
yeah,
ass,
oh,
by a man
short
ass
bitch ass
nigga.
nigga. I want to fight you now, bro.
Nobody had no
How
He
you
can't
long
gonna
even
fight
say
you
a
conversation.
full
every
sentence
time?
with proper
First thing
Yes,
nigga
you
grammar.
did,
said,
Wack.
Nigga said
Wack,
that
I
shit
swear to
was
God, Wack, you ain't got a
subliminal.
line here. Why you just took your follow back
Yo,
then, Wack?
Passion,
this
these
nigga,
bloods
hey,
is
hold
fucking the
on.
convo up,
That
My
bro.
shit,
man Jet
boy.
Fresh just told
Nigga
me,
with that follow.
One
hold
mic.
on,
Wack, Wack, you capping,
hold
Wack.
on.
One
We
mic.
gotta move on to the next person, bro. This shit over with.
Okay,
So,
now watch this. Hold up and fuck you up.
so we moving on to Jets. Jets.
Hold on, nah, cause I just got some more shit. Since you talk, this is the day. My
Uh-oh.
man just hit me, said, Whack, the nigga capping. Look at the date. This Stan G room. This
Mm.
Stan G came in the room. It was motherfucking May 10th, nigga, right? Now look at the date you sending me that shit. So that means you got mad at me after May 10th. So why you back telling me this shit on the 12th and the 19th?
Man,
And
I wasn't in no, that
The
wasn't no
J Prince
motherfucking
room
May
is on
10th.
the
We was in
10th too,
Stan
Wack.
G room,
Oh
nigga.
shit.
The J Prince room is on the 10th too, Wack.
That's what I know.
Oh shit.
Man, we wasn't in no
But
motherfucking
I'm gonna be
Stan G
real
room
with
on
you,
no May
Velly,
10th.
for real. The reason why I think you cloud chasing, because even if I did say something you may not agree with, how you texted me right there, your anger shouldn't be where it's at, bro. You clout
Right.
I'm
chasing.
not angry,
He
bruh.
said I'm unsigned.
Bullshit.
I promise I can make
I'm
millions.
not angry, Wack. I'm not angry with you, bro. I'm just saying you in here lying, though. Wack, this on my
You
He said
kids.
you
came in
wanted to
here
fight
lying.
Wack,
I've
him.
never
Nigga stay lying,
disrespected
Wack,
cuz.
this on
Larry
my
Hoover,
kid.
bro.
Why
Wack, we
you
was in Stan
humbling
G
that
room
nigga like
talking for
that,
the
Wack?
I've
longest, bro.
never disrespected Larry Hoover, bro, ever in life, bro.
Wack, so you
I
telling me
have
we
never
went in
ever
Stan G room talking
disrespected
for the
that
longest.
man, bro. And I will never disrespect that man. I talked to his son. I done met him face to face, shook his hand. Like, I don't know where you getting that from, bro. I didn't
I'm
gave you
Man,
that
your
saying though,
ass
respect.
disrespecting
Wack, you
shit.
in here capping though, man. You was talking for the
I'm not,
longest in
bro.
Stan
There it
G
go.
room,
It's
bro.
right there.
Man, that shit over with, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
This
He
shit,
don't
that
want
don't
Capping
look
ass nigga.
good, bro.
I'm just saying you in here
I'm just
capping
saying,
though,
I
home.
want to pay you to come to my room. Why you want a bitch ass nigga
Is
to come to your room?
listen, exactly, cause
Why
the
you want
vibe
to
me,
pay a bitch
listen,
ass nigga
listen,
to come to your room?
listen. The vibe man you were putting down in Stan G room, but man,
Oh,
you were
man, hey,
talking, bro.
bro, you need to go to
He
another
talking
room
about
because
the
you gay,
vibe,
bro.
nigga.
You keep talking
right.
about some
He gay as
vibe,
fuck.
spiritual
This on
guidance.
my kids, Wack. You a
Nah,
bitch ass
nigga.
nigga, and you in here lying for your little fans here. You
What you
cap, bro.
mean?
On
That's
nation,
your
you cap.
words right there.
You cap, bro. And I ain't even have
Them
no
your
green mark. Listen,
words. All
I ain't
right,
even have no green bean in Stan G
all
room.
right.
After
You
we got through
win,
talking,
bro.
you start following me, dog, on nation.
Hey, bro, listen
You
to me. I'm gonna
lying.
be real. I don't even know who follows me, bro. If you as a man is taking a follow as, ooh, that's my brother, my partner, then you're
No,
weird.
bro. No. After me and you got through talking, I ain't say Wack follow me. You follow me, nigga. After we got through talking, after the
After we
conversation
got
we
through,
had.
hey, bro, listen, bro. I was just talking to another voice on the floor. I don't know you like that, bro. I'm telling you. I know
Okay, he
Big
So so
followed
Memphis.
you
so
now
so
then.
so
I know
so
Big
how the
Memphis.
fuck
I'm
you
gonna
go?
tell you,
So
I
listen.
know Big Memphis.
So
Passion
Wack, how
next
you gonna
segment.
find a so you went to found the voice you were talking to and start following it right out the blue.
Stop
Nah, bro,
disrespecting
what you
Chicago,
mean, bro?
bitch
Like
ass
when
nigga.
you
I'm not
talking,
gonna lie.
I
He
can see
follow.
your
He
shit.
just
What
be
you mean?
following people. He just be following people. I'm not
Bro,
gonna
I
lie.
Well,
follow
he
You be
all kind of
Wack followed
motherfuckers, bro.
2,000 people, bro. He's not paying
a
attention. I don't know.
passion. This on Jesus
So the
Christ
That is.
Now
passion.
Reek
Me and Wack,
follow
me and listen.
19 people. He know he
I
follow.
really want us to just move on to
so
Jets.
basically